Hello students, today I am going to solve the exercise of chapter 11 Human Eye and Colorful World. So before starting the exercise, I am going to reminding you the topic and the importance which is important in this chapter. I am going to remind you have covered the human eye, the main parts of human eye, the function of the rods cone which are present in retina, accommodation, near point, far point, defect of vision and their correction, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, causes of myopia and hypermetropia, cataract. Why have two eyes for vision and not just one? A gift of vision. Some of the important notes to be covered. Donation of the eye. Reflection of light through a glass prism. Okay. Angle of deviation. Dispersion of light. Spectrum. Causes of dispersion. Rainbow, formation of rainbow, atmospheric refraction, twinkling of stars, advanced sunrise, delayed sunset, Tyndall effect, why sky is blue, and the color of sun at sunrise and sunset. So dear students, as this topic are covered, you have to think on that topic. What is that? When you think, then you will know about that topic. Okay, now I am going to solve the exercise of this chapter which are given in your NCERT book. Thank you. Hello students, question 1 is the human eye can focus on object at different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to, so you know the adjusting of focal length is known as accommodation. So this option is right. This is accommodation. Okay. Now next question is the human eye forms the image of an object on its. So you know that the place where image is formed, that is retina. Clear? Therefore in this question option D is right, that is retina. The next question, the least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about, option is 25 meter, 2.5 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 2.5 meter. So you know that the near point for the normal vision is 25 centimeter and far point is infinite. Therefore near point is 25 centimeter. This option is right. Option C. Now next question, the change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of. So you know that the focal length will be changed. Adjusting will be caused by the ciliary muscles. Therefore, the option is ciliary muscles is right, which is option C. Okay. Thank you. Now question number 5 is numerical problem. A person need a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter for correcting his distant vision, and correcting his near vision he needs a lens of plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length for distant vision and near vision? So in this question given that for the distant vision power of lens, you know power of lens in previous chapter, the ability to converge or diverge capacity, that is known as power of lens. So here it is given that for the distant vision power is given negative, and negative power is that, so that is a concave lens. Okay, so you know the formula P is equal to 1 upon F, where F is in meter. So now F is equal to 1 upon P. The value of P is minus 5.5. When we convert it into centimeter, then we multiply by 100. Okay. So we get 1000 upon 55. For transferring the decimal from here, 10 will be increased here. We get minus 18.18 centimeter, or nearest value minus 18.2 centimeter. This is focal length for the distant vision. Now second is for near vision. So it is given that power is plus 1.5 diopter. So same formula we use. P is equal to 1 upon F. So F equal to 1 upon P. That will be, after putting the value, we get 1 upon 1.5. After multiplying by 10 for finish decimal from here, we get 10 upon 15. That is, the standard form of 10 upon 15 is 2 upon 3. That is 2 upon 3, that is meter. And for convert into centimeter, we multiply by 100. So we get 200 upon 3, 66.666 as on. When we take approx value, 66.67 centimeter. Okay. Thank you. And now see the question number 6 carefully. Ki the far point of the myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. Means the person can see till 80 centimeter. What is the nature and power of lens required to correct the problem? Okay, so it is given that ki object distance, suppose that the object is at infinite, so u is infinite and the distant point is given v in front of the eye, therefore sign will be negative. V is minus 80 centimeter and focal length is asking here. So by the lens formula, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. After putting the value, we get 1 upon minus 80 minus 1 upon infinite. And you know that 1 upon infinite is equal to 0. Then it will be 1 upon minus 80, then F equal to minus 80 centimeter or minus 0.8 meter. When we convert into meter, we get minus 0.8 meter. Now it is asking the power. So by the formula P is equal to 1 upon F, we get 1 upon minus 1.8. Multiply by 10 for transport the decimal, we get 10 upon 8 diopter, that is the unit of power. Then we get minus 1.25 diopter, this is the power of lens. And negative sign so that the lens of the nature of the lens is concave lens. You have to remind one thing, negative power so that is concave lens, and positive sign so that is convex lens. Okay. Now question number 7. Make a diagram. The I will send a diagram for the hypermetropia is corrected. The near point of hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. Here is also asking that what is the power of lens if near point is for normal vision is 25 centimeter. Means in this question it is given that U equal to minus 25 centimeter, that is normal near point, and V is minus 1 meter, that is given the defected vision, and F is asking here, power is asking here. You know that for the power, firstly we know the focal length of that lens, then we can find the power. So by the lens formula, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. After putting the value, we get 3 upon 100, that is, when we take F, it will be reciprocal. 100 upon 3 means 33.33 centimeter, or 1 upon 3 meter. We can write it in the form of meter, then we get 1 upon 3 meter. So now focal length is 33.33 centimeter or 1 upon 3 meter. Now require lens. तो required lens is sign is here positive, therefore it will be convex lens. Now P is equal to 1 upon f, तो when we put up 1 upon f, तो f we put 33.33 or 1 upon 3, तो when we put up 1 upon 3 we get 3 diopter. That is the power of lens. Okay, thank you students. Hello students, now question number 8 is why is a normal eye not able to see clearly the object placed closer than 25 सेंटीमीटर. यानी यदि नॉर्मल आई की नियर पॉइंट है 25 सेंटीमीटर, तो यदि किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को उससे कम पे रखते हैं तो नहीं देख पाती है. क्यों? तो स्टूडेंट्स यू नो बिफोर कि देयर इज ए क्वालिटी ऑफ द आई कि सेलरी मसल्स हेल्प टू एडजस्ट द फोकल pupils of the eye. It will be increase and decrease. So there is a limit for the decreasing. After that its power will be over. It cannot be closer than this ability. Therefore we cannot see the objects closer than 25 centimeter. Means simply you can say that कि a normal eye is not able to see clearly of object placed closer than 25 centimeter. All its power of accommodation has already been exhausted. यानी जो पावर ऑफ एकोमोडेशन है बड़ा होने का और छोटा होने का, वो इसके बाद ऑलरेडी एक्सपायर हो जाता है. इससे ज़्यादा वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो सकता है, इसलिए हम उससे क्लोजर ऑब्जेक्ट को नहीं देख पाते. ओके, इट्स क्लियर ना? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, व्हाट हैपेंड टू द इमेज डिस्टेंस इन द आई व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द आई. इन दिस क्वेश्चन आस्किंग दैट कि यदि हमने पेंसिल यहाँ रखा है तो ये पेंसिल हमें दिख रही है, इसका इमेज हमारे रेटिना पे बन रहा है. अब पेंसिल को थोड़ा सा दूर कर दिए, यानी हमने यहाँ कर दिया, तो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस चेंज कर दिए. तो व्हाट विल द चेंज इन द इमेज एट इन आई, इट इज आस्किंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन. तो स्टूडेंट्स यू नो दैट कि इमेज इज फॉर्म ऑन रेटिना विच इज मेड बाय द गॉड, दैट इज फिक्स. हम ऑब्जेक्ट को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इमेज यानी रेटिना को आगे पीछे नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज मेड बाय गॉड. तो इमेज की डिस्टेंस में कोई चेंजिंग नहीं होगी. क्लियर? बिकॉज रेटिना इज फिक्स. मीन्स इन अदर आई द इमेज डिस्टेंस मीन्स बिटवीन आई लेंस एंड रेटिना इज फिक्स्ड बाय द गॉड विच कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड. सो when we increase the distance of object from eye, there is no change in the image distance inside the eye, because the eye lens and retina that is fixed by the God that cannot be changed. Okay, समझ में आया ना? Okay students, now question number 10, why do you start wrinkle. तो ये टॉपिक हम लोग कवर कर चुके हैं नोट्स में, तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप फिर से राइट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, एक्सप्लेन व्हाई वी द प्लैनेट्स डू नॉट ट्विंकल्स. तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.